To create a guild on Discord, there are a few things you need to know beforehand. The guild option is still in the experimental phase, meaning it's only available to servers that have been selected by Discord for this experiment. These experiments are randomly chosen and can be either user or server based, with guilds falling under the server experiment category. To access the option to create a guild, your server must be part of this experiment. Typically, you need to be the owner or an admin of the server to create a guild. To do so, you would go to the server settings, scroll down, and look for the Guild option, which may appear as Guild Settings. From there, you can select Games, Playstyle, Trades, Topics, and write a description, among other things. However, to even access this option, you must be part of Discord's experiment, which is not available to everyone. If you are part of the experiment, you can create a guild, but otherwise, you will not be able to access this feature.